Hello and welcome to Missy T's Math Tutorials. Today we're going to be focusing on direct and inverse proportion. Okay, so the symbol for proportionality is something like this. So you might find in an exam that it says y is directly proportional to x. Now that funny symbol just represents that as y goes up, x goes up. Okay? Inverse proportional, you use the same symbol but you put 1 over x, and that means that as one goes up the other decreases, and your graph can look something like that. It's always going to be a curve, whereas this one is a straight line. Okay, so for direct proportionality, this is what a question may look like. So when y is 150 and x is 15 and they're directly proportional, what is x when y is 90? So we've used what we just used then, so y is directly proportional to x, which is the same as writing y equals kx. Now k is a factor that multiplies into both numbers. Okay, so we put the numbers in that we've been given. So y is 150 equals k times 15. If we rearrange the equation, we get k equals 150 divided by 15, which is 10. Okay, so we found out what k is. So now the question says, what is x when y is 90? So we rewrite this, y equals 10x. Y is 90. We've got 10, now we need to find x. So we rearrange it again. 90 divided by 10 equals x, so x is 9. That's how you do direct proportion. Okay, similarly, if we've got inverse proportion, we write it like this, as I showed you before. So y is directly proportional to 1 over x, which is the same as writing y equals k divided by x. So, if y is 2, let's say y is 2, and x is 8. So y equals k over x. We've got 2 equals k divided by 8. Rearrange this to find k first. So we're going to times those two numbers together. So k is 2 times 8, which is 16. Now we can rewrite this equation with the 16. So y equals 16 divided by x. And let's say that y is 4. We need to find x. So 4, 16, let's find x. Rearrange the equation to get x equals 16 divided by 4. So x is going to be 4. And that's how you do inverse proportion. Right, to finish this video off, we're going to have one of Missy T's math jokes. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.